Hey there digital friends, welcome back to Digital Visions, and in this video you are going to see the Marvel Edition Reconnect wireless earphones and the wireless charger. So I will be showing you the wireless earphones and charger unboxing and then give you a quick review of these earphones and the charger as well. So let me start with the wireless charger first and then let's go to the earphones. So this is how the box looks. So let me remove the seal over here. So I purchased this wireless charger for 300 rupees from the Reliance store, or you can also purchase them from the Jio Mart for cashback and all. So this is the wireless charger, and as you can see we will be getting a single cable over here. So let me remove it from the cover. So this is a 10 watt wireless charger. So I purchased it for 300 rupees and the quality seems to be fine, and they have applied a soft kind of sticker on the top, and here we can see the user manual, this and the warranty guide here. So here is the charging cable that we are getting. So this is the micro USB charging cable that we have to use for turning on this wireless charger. So let's keep these aside and let's unbox the wireless earphones. So I have purchased the Marvel Iron Man edition. You can even purchase the Captain America edition or the Black Panther and the Hulk editions also. So let me remove the seal of this earphones box, and this is the wireless earphones that we are getting with the 10mm drivers. These earphones also support the Alexa and the Google Assistant inbuilt. So let's see how the earphones performs and how is the quality of these earphones. I purchased these earphones for 350 rupees from the Reliance store. So and the first we will be getting the charging cable and the extra ear tips. So let's see how the quality of the ear tips and all. So we will be getting the small and the large ear tips inside. So we will be getting a micro USB charging cable over here also. So let's keep them inside, and the ear tips seems to be hard. They are not smooth, they seems to be a hard ear tips. So let's keep them aside, and here we can see the cover over here for these wireless earphones. The cover seems to be nice. And after that we will be getting some user guides and warranty guides. So this is the warranty slip, and here is the user guide, and here we can see the controls, how to use the earphones, how to power and on and off and all. So these are the earphones. As you can see there is nothing near the neckband area. So this is just a small wire over here. So the controls will be on the earbuds itself. As you can see the earbuds are big over here. So these are the Iron Man edition. You can purchase other editions like Captain America, Hulk, Thor in the nearby Reliance stores. So this is the Iron Man edition, so it's in the red color. So let us see more clearly about these earphones. So if you want to purchase from the Jio Mart, there are limited editions available. So I suggest you to go to the nearby Reliance store to purchase these wireless charger or earphones and even the headsets also. So let's start the review of this. So let me start with the overview and the build quality. So as you can see we have all the three controls: volume up and down and the power on off button. And the power on off button we can use for play and pause the music also. And after that you can see the earbud shape here. It is not that comfortable when wearing for longer hours, and here the rest all thing is rubber, and even the ear tip is also very hard. And then on the left earbuds we have nothing, but when coming to the comfort levels are not that great. And the build quality for the price is okay. On the box they have mentioned like 3000 rupees, but for this price tag of 350 rupees they are just the basic earphones. So the build quality is okay, not that bad, but the ear tips are hard, and the earbud shape is also a different shape, so we can't use it for longer hours. Regarding the audio quality, we are getting a 10mm drivers, and they also mention the extra features like water resistant and all. They works perfectly fine, even the Google Assistant also. And coming to the battery life and the audio quality is same like the basic earphones, and we can also say that the cheap kind of earphones we are not getting a good audio quality. Even the battery life is also very less, and it takes 1.5 hours to fully charge the earphones. So I am getting a 2.5 hours like that, and that more charging time is not a great deal at all. So if you want to purchase the earphones for the namesake, then you can purchase these earphones like me, as this is the Marvel edition earphones. Now coming to the wireless charger, so when you connect your wireless charger, you can see the white light over here, and if you keep that device on it, then the wireless charger detects and changes its color. As you can see, I placed the device, and as you can see, the green light is blinking. So if you place the device properly, then the green light stops blinking and the wireless charging starts. So that's all for the video, guys. The wireless charger works perfectly, and if you want to buy the earphones for the namesake, then you can purchase them. So thank you for watching this video, guys, and subscribe.